Hello everyone, welcome to another AWS and Terraform tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the creation of VPC, Internet Gateway and Subnet using the Terraform. So before going to the lab, let's understand the requirement for our lab. So we are going to, sorry, we required the visual coders, AWS account, IAM, user access key and a secret access key. Then we need a AWS CLI to be installed on your system. Then we require the Terraform binary file need to install on your system. If you are using the Mac, then download the Mac binary file. If you are using the Linux or any other operating system, then please download that file accordingly. So let's jump to the lab. So first of all, we are going to create the VPC, then subnet, and then internet gateway. So here is I have the AWS account, and let's go to the visual coder. So I'm going to create this in my one of the folder. I'm going to choose this VPC folder. Currently there is no single file. I'm going to just map this location VPC folder, and now I'm going to create one file which is provider file. So you can give the another name also, that is also fine. TF. TF is the extension, and I am creating one more file, that is main.tf. So this is file, these two file I have created in a same folder. You can go and review same from here, VPC. So you can see the file is created. Now let's add the configuration according to the provider. First we require a provider, so we are going to set up VPC on our AWS platform. So we required the uh, we required AWS provider configuration from the registry. So let's go and pick the uh, provider configuration. So first of all, we need to search AWS VPC Terraform. Sorry, VPC Terraform. I am going to search VPC Terraform registry. So here I got the first link. So you can see here user provider, go to that one, pick your provider details. So I am going to copy this one, just adding on my provider file. So here I have added a provider, just go and save it. So I have saved this file. Now let's try to initiate and execute. Let's see if any error is occurring. So I'm going to terminal and new terminal. So let's configure the AWS config. Make sure your authentication key, access key and secret access key is working. If it is not, then you need to generate. So currently here is the access key, it is used. So let's see our access key is correct or not. Let's go to our Amazon console, go to the IAM user. Okay, here is the user. Okay, now my existing user is still there. Security access credential. So access key is already disabled, so this key will not work. You can verify. I will continue this one, but it will not work. I will show you here. I am going to put default everything, and I am going to initiate the Terraform. I want to just showcase that error. So I am going to type a Terraform initiate. So it is going to initiate. Let's see, I'll or not. So it is fetching that data. Initializing is already started. Let's wait. Even we don't have added any configuration atom on the main file. So let's wait for this one. Meanwhile, we can create the other syntax. So here I will remove that one. Okay, it is still working. So let's meanwhile we can create the another VPC. So I am going to copy this syntax. So you can see resource is AWS VPC. I am going to use simple syntax. So okay, initialization is started, but let's continue. Okay, here I want to showcase that error first, and then we will go and see. So initialization is already started. Let's start to plan. So Terraform plan is, so here your infrastructure match. So we don't have any added anything here. There is no configuration in a main file. We have added only provider. Okay, you can validate from here also. You can see no changes is needed. Terraform have compared your real infra against. So syntax all are correct, but configuration is not added. So let's create our syntax. So this is the resource, AWS resource we are going to add. Maximize. So this is the first is create a VPC. Sorry, not just VPC, dev VPC. So here also I am going to the name dev environment VPC. So that is first one. Now I need to add a subnet. So here is all I searched a subnet. Similarly, you can search from here also. So I am going to take this one. Okay, here it is another resource we have copied. So you can type this if you see the syntax is also similar. Resource, then double inverted comma, AWS underscore VPC. So here it is AWS subnet. So I'm going to name as a AWS, sorry, private, sorry, private underscore subnet. So I'm going to use same name with here in a tag also. And I need to create one more resource. So here I am going to create one more resource with public subnet. So public subnet here is the private subnet in a private subnet. So what is the CIDR block I have taken? 10.0.1.0.20 sorry 10.0.1.0.0/24, and here it's we are going to take another which is 10.0.2.0/24. So this is the two subnet we are going to create. So I am going to write here create a public subnet, and here I am going to add create private sorry, private subnet. So I have added all the data, and here in a main file we are going to add your VPC name. So we need to add VPC name here as well as here. So I created all the syntax for VPC, then private subnet and public subnet. So I'm going to add here in my main file. So let's go to the main file first, little down. So I'm going to add everything in a main file. Okay, let me clear this. Sorry. Okay, here it is. I clear. So I have added a three syntax. I am going to save it. Okay, save. I have initiated. Now let's Terraform. Initiate is already done. Let's plan. I don't have currently any VPC is also there. You can go and see. Currently only one VPC is there, which is default one. Now we are going to create another VPC with which is not default. So this is 172.31.0.0, that is the default one. Here default VPC is yes. So I am going to create with new. So here a Terraform encountered error while generating this plan. Why? So you can see account details invalidating. So here our access key and secret access key is not working. So let's go. Let's verify. I already told that, but I want to show exactly error. So that is the reason I have continued. But no worries, we will just take 2 to 3 second extra, and we are going to create a new access key. Just select the CLI, then acknowledge this confirmation. Just go next. I am giving the name as the name key again. Just create the access key, secret access key generated. Then copy this one. Go back to your console. Let me clear here. Oh, I'm going to clear this earlier error. Now again initiate the AWS config. So here in AWS config initiate, add the access key, then secret access key, just copy again, just add here, enter, keep the same or update the region as per your request or requirement. Then output I am keeping the same. Now our setup is done with authentication setup is done. Let's initiate the Terraform plan now, or you can validate the configuration. So Terraform validate I have added. Let's verify the configuration first. Okay, now it is succeed. Let's continue with the plan. Terraform plan. So let's reveal what is the output is coming. So see, plan showcase 3 to add, 0 other all data, all atoms are 0, only 3 to add. And what we are going to add here, see, sorry, VPC will be created. Then these are the hold on. Here are the subnet details, private and public. The above one is private and here is the public. So let's go and initiate the apply. So let me go and apply. Here I have applied the command. It will take a few minutes to create. So you can see that it is showcase me only yes, and now you go to VPC, then uh, subnet. It is still not created because I need to apply yes. So once I apply yes, you can see here new subnet. Let's see. Now VPC is creating, then subnet is also creating private and public. Okay, so all the parameter has been created. So you can see 3 added, 0 change and 0 destroyed. Let's verify the, see here are the private subnet and public subnet is created as per our given the range. Now let's go and see the VPC. Let's refresh. The new VPC is created, you can see here. So you suppose you want to update the name for this one, so you need to add one more line. Okay, let me do that here itself. So this is the my VPC dev VPC resource syntax. So I want to add one more tag. So this is the tag I need to be added here. Let me do that. So dev underscore dev dash VPC. So let me save it again. Save. Let's Terraform, apply the Terraform plan again. It will take a few seconds again, and now let's refresh it. Now it's asking to apply one change. Now apply the Terraform apply I have entered. Let's wait for the change. It will ask for the confirmation again. So yes, here is the modification is done. Let's go and refresh. So see, name is replicated. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to create another NAT gateway. So let's search NAT, sorry, IGW Internet Gateway Terraform syntax. So here it is the resource syntax. I am going to take this one. So this is the syntax I am going to refer. Just copy this one. Let me clear the existing output. Let me add one more. So here I am going to add this resource. Resource is Internet Gateway. So here I am adding a comment, sorry, create a IGW. So this is the syntax I have added. Here also IGW, sorry, IGW, then IGW. Okay, and here in a main I am going to copy the my VPC name. So here I am going to add. That's it. I am going to save again for my same file. So I have added the same syntax in my main.tf file. So let's go and initiate the Terraform plan. So this time we are going to add one internet gateway IGW. So here, yeah, see, you can see we are going to add new atom, which is internet gateway. So Terraform will perform the following action. So here it is the output it showcase. So let's apply command we are going to apply. Let's apply. So here is the Terraform apply. Okay, let's wait. So you can verify from here. Currently we don't have any internet gateway. Okay, we have one internet gateway, but we are still creating another one. So see, yes. So creating a new gateway, here it is, the ID is generated. Let's verify. So see, new internet gateway is also created. So that's it, guys. In this lab we are created VPC, one VPC, then two subnet private and public. Then we created internet gateway. So we have created almost 4 parameter in this our lab. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and see you in a next video. Thank you.